Hi guys, welcome back to another progression video. This week I'll be showing you how to make progress into a pistol squat. It's a great way to build strength in your legs, and if you don't have access to a barbell with weights, for some heavy squats, it's a great way to maintain a degree of muscle mass before returning to those barbell squats when gyms open. The first exercise is the narrow stance deep squat. It needs to be a deep, narrow stance so that you get familiar with the range of motion and get used to the mobility required to perform a pistol squat. Oh, and your back will round, but that's okay because you're not using a weight. The second progression requires a sturdy elevation of anywhere in between 25 to say 40 centimeters, and all we are doing is hinging our hips backwards first, then bending the knee and gently touching the ground. Your entire body weight remains on the leg doing the bending. This exercise, the elevated toe touch or toe tap, is going to introduce you to the balance you will require when doing the pistol squat. So when hinging your hips backwards, remember to also bring your chest forward. The third progression requires a seat or a chair. In fact, anything that can take your body weight, but it must be 35 to say 45 centimeters high. This exercise is going to introduce you to the strength required for the pistol squat and a degree of mobility. With the single leg squat to sit down, you need to put some of your body weight onto the seat or surface you're sitting on, just to get familiar with what's required to stand back up. The fourth progression, the assisted pistol squat, requires an object you can lean onto or lean from or hold onto, really. But this exercise is now going to introduce you to the maximum mobility required to perform the unassisted pistol squat. Please remind yourself that the pistol squat is an advanced exercise and it will take patience and consistency to progress. There's a lot I can't cover here, but I need to emphasize the importance of being patient and not skipping the progressions. Keep in mind you will feel discouraged, but the gradual progression will come. Oh, and at the bottom of the exercise, you can opt to let go so that you feel the full weight of your body in the bottom range of that motion. Okay guys, so this is where things get tough, but not impossible. If you find on your way down, maybe you're falling backwards, you can either lean your upper body forward when lowering yourself into the pistol squat, or hold onto a counterweight with outstretched arms, which will help with the balance. A big part of maintaining balance for a pistol squat comes from the forward lean the upper body needs to do, and this does require, here's it again, a degree of mobility in your lower back and core, and a whole lot of balance. So everyone, there you have it. That is the progression. I really hope you guys liked the video and find it useful. Happy pistol squatting!